What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Should you buy a certified pre-owned, aka CPO? That certified pre-owned vehicle is best of both worlds. That goes through a thorough multi-point inspection, and that vehicle goes through strict guidelines that meet standards. So yeah, here's the key. The vehicle can only be certified pre-owned through its manufacturer. So if it's a Honda, it has to be certified through Honda. If it's a Chevy, it has to be certified through Chevy. If it's a Hyundai, it has to be certified through Hyundai. That's what makes a certified pre-owned. It cannot be certified pre-owned through any other dealer but its manufacturer dealer. One of the biggest benefits, if that vehicle is certified pre-owned and it still have its manufacturer warranty, you get an extended warranty. So 9 times out of 10, if it have a year to that manufacturer warranty is up, 9 times out of 10 it get extended to like maybe 1 or 2 more years. So, and if they have like roadside assistance, that get extended. So you get benefits of getting a certified pre-owned. So yes, somebody already driven it, but the depreciation is gone, and that vehicle is a certified pre-owned. That vehicle went through a thorough check and meets strict guidelines from the manufacturer itself. It may be 120, maybe 200 multi-point inspection or 175 multi-point inspection, but that vehicle is checked over thoroughly with a certified technician. So if you want to save on a used car with confidence, a certified pre-owned will be your best option. But if you're enjoying this video, you're going to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.